Subhash, yes, very pleased to announce the launch of William Hardie wines from Australia here in Delhi tonight. These wines are a premium range from Hardie's. Stamps is available here in the market for about 1,500 rupee, and this will retail for about 2,250. So special occasion wines, not necessarily for every day like Stamps, but for special occasions at home, in a restaurant. The wines are from South Australia. They represent and have been made in honour of William Hardie, Bill Hardie as we call him in Australia, to represent his 40 years of service with the business. So fantastic wines, great depths, great flavour, a little bit more serious wines than the Stamp wines. So I do urge you to come and try a little sip tonight. We haven't got enough for everybody to enjoy over a meal, but it's certainly enough here for everybody to have a taste. So please help yourself. Both of the wines are from South Australia, cool climate regions, Langhorne Creek in the Adelaide Hills, and Limestone Coast Chardonnay from the Coonawarra region, so quite a famous region for Cabernet. We also do some fantastic Chardonnay from the region. So please just come and taste it yourself. Don't believe everything I say, you be the judge. That's the most important thing, and enjoy yourself. Thank you.
These wines, like I said, they are already, the papers have been put already for registration, I think about 3 weeks ago, and it's going to take its process, but I think they will be registered about 15 days after the policy is announced, because right now it's 15th September, it could well be 30th September. Yeah, I think from what I hear, they're fighting this anti-liquor lobby, and so they are under pressure not to open the entire policy. So these wines, but yes, they will be available soon, and I don't know if they'll be available. Sorry, I thought that I had to be.
So we review the label. We're going to give you an opportunity to look at it and you know what we're in for coming up soon. It's a pleasure to have you here, the Wine Society of Delhi, and to even preview our restaurant here, the Latino. And I think that this is a perfect fit, this restaurant here, and I'm sure it's going to do well. So wish you all the best with the wine, all the best for your event in Calcutta tomorrow as well, and enjoy the evening. Thank you.